ये है वक्त मीडिया।
To make sure that our demands being heard louder and clear, क्योंकि आज बात हक की है, and the people who are silent and ignorant for this law as well, they are also on the side of oppressors, क्योंकि जनाब अगर आप जुल्म के खिलाफ नहीं तो आप जुल्म के साथ ही तो हैं। And on behalf of everyone, I would like to tell to our respected PM Shri Narendra Modi ji that this law, such laws are dividing our nation and of course destroying the youth of our country. And today if I leave this stage without remembering the contributions of students, women, men, children, everyone around the globe, that would be really, really unfair. So everyone, my brothers and sisters, everyone, we need to unite. We need to hold each other firmly so that peace could be there and indifferences should also be gone. अल्लामा इकबाल साहब ने क्या खूब कहा है, दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं ताकतें परवाज मगर रखती है। Thank you very much. अस्सलाम वालेकुम।